Good morning. I'm Garnet Grant, student number 301188923, and this is my security EJS website. So the landing page and the navigation has access to the business contact page, which is locked and cannot be accessed unless you log in. You can try and go to the contact list, but it'll always redirect to the login as the requirements state. It's accessible from any page. There's a login function. There's also a register. So I can register here, entering a username. Uh, um, Test user test. Once we register, that will be logged into the database, and the registered user will be automatically authenticated. And there's also a logout function. We can log out, and it'll bring us back to the home page, and just log back in with a different user. There's many users on this. It's uploaded onto the Mongo Atlas as well, so it's all stored within the database. It's all hashed and sorted and yeah, serialized and all of that. The contact display page is here, sorted alphabetically. I could add a contact by just entering the name. If I were to do Alex uh, Colburn and email and submit. It'll submit it first because that is the order of precedence. And if I were to delete it, it would delete it. I could also update Alexander the Great into Alexander the Not Great, BC. I don't even know when he lived. Uh, and that is supposed to be for. Yeah, and there we go. Contact updated. So that's CRUD. Already create, read, update, delete. And yes, this is my page. There's a welcome. And to show my app.js, so over here, of course, the regular imported modules, and then over here we have the authentication modules that are imported to make use of all the things that we're doing within the um, authentication application in importing passport, the passport local strategy, um, the session, express session to gauge the session to allow a user that's logged in to maneuver the website without losing their login status and even leave the website and come back if needs be. The strategy specific of the local strategy being manipulated by the user model. The connect flash that allows for flash messages to be displayed if there's an error. Mongoose to allow for database manipulation and the DB route. And as well as, of course, this is already implemented, the MongoDB URI connection stream, being able to hook that up. The routers allowing the Express app to start, the static path, again allowing the Express to use all of these things by using the use method. This is actually going to initiate or instantiate a session. Uh, this is the middleware that instantiates Passport, initializes it as well, and initializes the session to work with Passport. And the user model is imported here so that the user is actually used throughout the application. The strategy is now implemented on the user as well to verify that this will be the model that is used for this specific strategy. Also the serialization again and the deserialization of the user info to promote security. These are the routers that are declared after all of this to allow for appropriate functionality. Of course, this is the error handling, the error handler again, and I rendered the title as well as a logged in property to be able to allow for this lock right here to unlock when needs to be. Thank you.